Story. I'm back. What was this video gonna be about again? Oh yeah, so a lot of people have been asking me how to do stuff on their computers, and I recently got a MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020 edition, which I will grab 1 second. Look at my beautiful little computer. Jessica's nasty. Okay. So, here she be. And I've had this now for, I want to say, like, a month and a half. I got it, like, kind of towards the end of the whole quarantine thing. But yeah, so here I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to do fun stuff with your computer to make it look cool. I'm gonna stop doing that now. But yeah, like, I put this cool background on it. 1 second. Ah, stop, please. No, no, no more. None of that. Okay, yeah. So I put this cool background on my computer and I made it and I'm really proud of myself. So I'll teach you how to do that. And I'll also teach you how to do, I don't know if you can really see, I'll put a screen thingy in there. But I also made my own folder icons, which was cool. I'll teach you how to do this too. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I put an iCat on my touch bar. And it plays music. Anyway. And then, what else? And anything else that I forget to say right now, I will put in the description with time codes so that you don't have to watch this whole ass almost 3-minute intro, because I know you're bored out of your mind and don't care about any of this but what I'm actually going to be saying. So if you've made it this far, you're cool. Let's actually do things now. Okay, so we're back. This is my cool background. This literally takes maybe 15 seconds to make. It probably takes longer to get all the pictures, but you're gonna go to canva.com, also link this in the bio. And then you are going to go to our lovely Apple icon in the top left and go to About This Mac, and you are going to go to Displays. And you're going to look at this big old number right there, because that tells you your dimensions. And so you're going to copy Command-C, X this out, and go to Create a Design. And you're going to do Custom Dimensions. And you're going to put in the first number there, which is, for me, 2560, and then 1600 in there. And you're going to hit Create New Design. So this is going to be your wallpaper, and if you really want to, like, put some cool quotes, I guess you could do that, but, like, I have zero desire to do that. So you're going to want to pick, like, a theme. I don't know, I picked, like, this spunky, bright type stuff. I don't really know. But, so pick a theme, and then get your pictures from Pinterest. I think you can figure out how to do that. I really hope I don't have to explain that. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Oh, there's my uploads. Okay, so basically, I made another background for one of my friends. We're going to use the pictures I used for that. So you're just going to, like, throw the pictures in and shrink them down, make it look all nice. And for me, like, you can, like, do them all square next to each other if you really want. Personally, I like the whole, like, kind of just threw this all together. So, like, slant them, make them look cool. If you've ever used Google Slides, this is basically a big slide. So just kind of play around with it. If you want this to be higher up, you go to position, go forward. Boom-a-la. Put that there, make it look cool. And then when you're done, not that I'm using this for my background, but you're going to hit download, and you're going to hit download, because you want to download it. And you're going to wait for that, and then it's going to try and sell you on things that you're not going to buy. And then you are going to make this go there, and you're going to grab this, chuck it on your desktop, X that out, go to System Preferences, Desktop and Screensaver, Desktop, and you're going, actually, no, yes, Desktop. And it's going to give you a cute little question mark, but you don't care, and then you're going to drag this there. And now your background looks like that. Not that I want mine to look like that ever, because it looks terrible, but, you know. So that's how you do background. Okay. You know how, like, normally it's blue? Like, if you highlight something or, like, click on it, you can switch the color. Woo! Okay, anyway, system preferences, then you're gonna go to general, and you're gonna pick your accent color. It normally defaults to blue, but you can do purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then gray if you're really boring, but, you know, I'm not boring, so I'm gonna do pink. And then it's also gonna switch your highlight color when you switch the color, but if you want it to be different, because you're different and very cool, you can do that, but it's not really worth it. I like it on pink. Anyway, you can also switch your appearance here too. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That's all for the accent color. Yo, Lauren, what's up with not using Safari? Um, I hate Safari with a burning passion. Don't ask me why. I've always been kind of a Chrome gal, whether that's because I've used Chrome my entire life or not. And I wanted Chrome on my computer because it just looks better. Like, look at this and then look at this. She just looks better, you know? Anyway, so you're gonna Safari, unfortunately, give them business, and you're gonna type in Chrome download. And for me, it suggests it, so you're gonna go there, and you're gonna hit download Chrome. And it legitimately explains to you how to do this, but you know what? I'm helping you out here. So you're gonna open the file, not the downloads, show downloads, and you're gonna open this. Oh, yeah, there we go. It's gonna verify it. Hello. There we go. And then you are legitimately going to drag this icon into a folder. So proud. And then that's literally it. But I'm gonna say stop because I already have Chrome and I don't want it to screw up. Anyway, delete, move to trash, eject, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, so that's how you get Chrome. And then once you have Chrome, you can do fun things. So sign into your Google account and hopefully you know how to make bookmarks. I'm not going through that. But you can also change the color and you can do a custom one and make it all different colors. Anyway, I like my pink. It goes with my little vibe. So yeah, and you can also put pictures in. You can do background, yeah, and you can put a cool picture in. But I'm not going to do that. Folder icons. As you can clearly see, I don't have a folder icon. I have a Q star. And so in order to do this, it's actually fairly simple. You are going to go to Chrome and you are going to search for Julia K. Christ, I think her last name is. And you're going to hit enter. And then you're going to go to juliakchrist.com. Or actually, I'm going to go, yeah, you're going to go here. And you are going to click Design Freebies. Now, honestly, you don't have, and then you're going to go to Desktop Icons. Now, honestly, you don't have to use one of these. I just find it a lot easier to use one of these because they're, like, already made. But what you're going to do is you are going to right-click on one of these images. So if I want my star, I'm going to right-click. And I am going to hit Save Image As. And make sure it says PNG. That's really important. And it's going to just give it a name. I'm going to say Desktop, and you're going to hit Save. What a plot twist. Oh my god, please stop doing that. And then you're going to scooch this over and drag it onto your desktop. Cool. Now you have a star. Where'd the star go? Oh, there it is. So now you have a cool star. And so if you have a folder, so I'm going to make a new folder, File, New Folder. And we have a cool folder for nothing. But I kind of don't like the folder. So we are going to double click, or two finger click on this. Excuse me. And then you are going to go to, where is it? Get info. And you see our little folder icons here. Now, in here you can change the name, you can look at all the fun stuff, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, for some people, you can just click this and drag it on into the folder, and it works. However, for me, it gives me PNG, and I don't like that. So you are going to double click on our star, and you're going to hit Command A to select the entire thing, and then you're going to hit Command C to copy it, and then you're going to X out. You're going to click up here to that little thing so it gets highlighted. Not this. This will not work. However, click up here and hit Command V, and boomala, you have a star, or whatever you decided to make your folder icon. My friends that have MacBook Pros with the lovely touch bar, I'm going to show you how to make spending at least $400 more than the Air worth it, because you can play games on it and make it look cool. So unfortunately, I don't think you can see my touch bar right now. I don't think you can see it on screen recording, but if you go to System Preferences and search touch bar, you are going to go to touch spacebar, you're going to go to extensions, and then you're going to scroll all the way down, and you're going to hit touch bar, and you're going to hit customize control strip. So, I don't know, you probably can't see mine, but you can see that you have 4 main icons on the bottom right that are always there. Now if you want to switch those, you can actually do that by clicking. So if I wanted my brightness slider on here, I can click that, drag it on down, and it will, you can switch them. Hopefully you can figure that out without much explanation. So there's that cool thing. And another cool thing you can do for your touch bar, which you saw in my intro, is put games like Pac Bar or Touch Bar Nyan Cat on there. And you do this by going to Chrome and you search Pac Bar. Actually, yeah, we'll do Pac Bar. And you're going to go to this first one, github.com. I'll link this down below. You're going to click on it. And you're going to go to, hold on, where is it? Download game here. And you are going to hit this pacbar v1.2.zip. And you're going to click on that, and it's automatically going to download for you. And then you're going to drag it onto your desktop, X this out, and then unzip it, just double click it. Now you have a cool little icon, and I'm pretty sure now you can use it if you double click it. Oh yeah, so it's going to tell you it has malicious software, but you know, we support Pac-Man here, so you're going to go to your system preferences, and you are going to hit security and privacy, and you are going to see that it says allow apps downloaded from, and it's going to say Pac-Bar was blocked from use because it's not from a developer, but you're going to say screw that and open it anyway, and you're going to hit open, and now you are playing Pac-Man on your touch bar. Anyway, that gets annoying, but if you want this to be in your little applications thing like mine is, you are going to go onto Finder, and basically go to applications and just click and dump it into there. I'm not going to do that because it's going to screw up my other one that's there, but you get the gist. Yeah, that's the same thing for Nyan Cat, which literally is not even a game. It just runs across your thing, and it's kind of funny, but I will link that down below too. So that is legitimately all for today. I might make a part 2 if people have questions or other shebang they're concerned in, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Computers are fun, but they can clearly be a lot more fun because you can do stuff to them. Anyway, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you're enjoying your new computer if you have one, or if you're just watching this before you get one, or you're just watching this because I'm cool. I know. Stay cool, stay crazy. I will see y'all in the next video. Leave a comment, subscribe, do all the fun jazz that people on YouTube do. I need a nap. Goodbye.